If your 2018-2021 Lincoln Navigator key fob battery is dead, don't panic. You can still unlock and start your vehicle. First, locate the hidden mechanical key. It's inside your key fob and releases by pressing the release button. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door by inserting it into the key slot located under the door handle. Once inside, to start the engine, place the key fob directly against the start button. This allows the vehicle to detect the fob signal despite the dead battery and start the engine. Remember, this is a temporary solution. Replace the key fob battery, which is a CR2032, as soon as possible. If your Navigator is equipped with a keypad on the driver's door, you can use your personal entry code to unlock the vehicle. Simply enter the code to gain access. Keyless systems are evolving. While the 2018-2021 Navigator relies on battery-dependent fobs, these can fail when the battery dies. Future vehicles are moving towards smartphone apps, Bluetooth entry, and energy harvesting fobs that reduce battery issues. Regularly check your key fob battery and consider carrying a spare. But remember, the mechanical key and keypad are reliable backups. Most owners successfully resolve dead fob situations themselves, minimizing the inconvenience.